Hi, it's Amy and thanks for watching Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do some nice bright garish Halloween type nails, but for those that don't particularly want spooky. Enjoy! So first of all, I've put 2 coats of the nude pink Shy Time on each of the tips, and then we're going to go in with a thin coat of the Solar Wind from the Aurora collection, just to give it a bit of shimmer. Then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Whilst we're waiting for those to cure, the colours that we're going to use today are Matcha, Limoncello, Trixie from the Pastels collection, Glastonbury Nights, Tangerine Twist and Serious Black. So I've put my colours on the back of a form on the shiny side, and we're going to go in from the tip upwards. We're going to go in with the Limoncello first. Do big drips because we need plenty of surface for our print to sit on. When you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. We'll move on to our next colour, which is Matcha, and do the same. Pop that in the lamp when you're happy, and then our final colour is Trixie. When you're happy, pop that in the lamp for another 30 seconds. So we'll take our first one in, out of the lamp, sorry, and we'll use a contrasting colour, which is Tangerine Twist in this case. Load up a dotting tool, and we're just going to do some little splodges. Pop that in the lamp. The next one, we're going to use some Glastonbury Nights. It's a nice contrasting colour. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And the final one out, I'm going to go in with Limoncello. I want them bright and garish for these nails. Again, 30 seconds. I'm going to go in with 0001 brush, load up with Serious Black, and we're just going to detail those splodges. Some little marks in between. Pop that in the lamp. And the final one. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat, and top coat all of these and pop them in the lamp for 60 seconds to fully cure. Some nice garish Halloween inspired nails for people that don't want full-blown Halloween. For all the products that we've used today, they will be listed in the description box below. If you've liked this video, give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Bye! That's never gonna go out.